is actually pretty easy to transfer funds from PayPal to your bank account. You should need to open your PayPal app if you have the app version, or you can just log into the website right here. After logging in is that you just need to you need to link your bank account, since where you should put your money. Just link your bank account if you have one. If you don't, then just link it right here. It is pretty simple and straightforward. After that, just go to your home button, tap transfer funds, and then you can choose the bank that you've transferred right here on the choices of which bank you want to transfer. That's it.